specific airline?
I don't think so. I think it's just your generic inflatable thing. I feel like I'm gonna break something.
I thought something was supposed to go through your legs.
Nope.
Okay, so this is a charge similar to the ones for the PFDs that we have at home. It's actually an RFD, but okay.
Ready, set. Sweet.
It didn't go boom.
It didn't go boom. It's really cold.
So you should have a blinker thing if you...
I do. I think it begins beeping on contact with water.
Okay, maybe you want to go in.
Does it have CO2? Oh, yeah.
I think it's O2. I'm going to try and get this in contact.
No, I think the cylinders are CO2.
Alright. Oh, sweet. Look, it comes with a nice whistle.
Uh-huh.
Up close shot.
Whistle.
Sweet.
Great.
Right, but as for this... Alright, it's not activating.
Oh no! You would die in the dark.
I would die in the dark. I just have to keep blowing on this thing, and if something horrible happened, this thing. Here, let's try that.
Well, that's to use if you need to inflate it more.
Because I have to bite.
No, you have to push a lot of air through it, and right now it doesn't want any. You'd have to create more pressure than is in the tank.
But this is cool.
But yeah, you're also supposed to have something going between your legs, I think, because otherwise you're maybe kind of get more submerged. I'm sorry, I lost you.
Oh my gosh, it's cool.
Yes, it just discharged its whole thing, very pressury, all that gas.
Very fun.
Yes, that's what we have.
How am I going to throw it in the trash?
Your knife.
Oh, good idea. Which is even cooler. Can we film that too? Woo!
Okay. Now, slow down before you do something stupid.
Alright, let's go do this outside.
No. The safety first is to do it where we can be very visible. Okay, so I want you to open the knife first. Okay, safely. Now I want you to be pointing the knife outwards and do the stabbing from below.
Alright.
Right? So I'm going to keep distant and you're going to go and...
Ready, set.
Oh, you're shivving it. Okay, stop.
I'm sorry.
The minute that goes at an angle that might hit you, I am not okay with that.
Good, safe.
I didn't realize I could do that. Hey, baby.
Hey.
Okay. Is that away? Locked?
Yes.
Okay.
CO2 emissions.
Yeah. Stinky. Didn't think about that in terms of everybody. Okay, so open the door now and go throw that away.
What about the container, the case?
I'll bring it. Just open the door now and get some air back in the room. Great. Leave it open. I'll